Okay, friends, sorry about that. My last video ended, it wouldn't record any longer. So let's go back to wanted. So again, now it's spelled W-A-N-T. So the A's right, but it needs to be E-D, because remember, when a word ends with a T, the E-D says id. Wanted. To get a pig. That's not how we spell pig. It only has one G. All right, let's go back and read it. She wanted to buy a dress. She wanted to get a pig. So this is actually two sentences in one. So, excuse me, let's look at the first one. She wanted to buy a dress. Is this a telling sentence, an asking sentence, or an exclaiming sentence? Yep, it's a telling sentence, so I'm going to put a period. Friends, I just noticed this is the beginning of my next sentence, so it should have a capital. She wanted to get a pig. Is that a telling sentence, an asking sentence, or an exclaiming sentence? Yep, it's a telling sentence, so I'm just going to put a period. All right, Jane was sad. What's wrong with this sentence? Well, the J should be capitalized because it's the first word of the sentence, and it's also someone's name. Was, that's not how we spell was. It sounds like it, but it's actually W-A-S. And sad is right. Now let's think about this. Is this a telling sentence, an asking sentence, or an exclaiming sentence? Yep, it's a telling sentence, so we put a period. Now let's look at the end. The end? No, it's supposed to say the end. So we need to take this and put E-N-D, end. So this is the end of the milk. All right, let's go back and read it. Try and read it with me. Ready? There was a lass named Jane. She took a bucket of milk to sell. Jane fell down. She wanted to buy a dress. She wanted to get a pig. Jane was sad. The end. So as you see, Mr. Mouse had a lot of mistakes in his story, especially with his spelling. So that's why it's important, friends, to tap out your words or stretch them out when you need to spell them. All right, so what I want you to do now is you're going to practice the suffix ing. Remember, a suffix is a small part of a word that you put to the end of a word to make a new meaning. All right? So these words are doing, enjoying, giving, writing, hoping. They did the first one for you. So what you have to do is you have to read the sentences and fill in the blank with one of these words. After you complete it, cross out the word because you're only going to use it once. So they did the first one for you. It says, Mom asked, would you like to join me in baking a cake? So yes, baking is the correct answer. So then I want you to do and fill in the rest. And also, when you are finished with this, keep it because you need to return it on Thursday when you come to school. Okay, if you have any questions or anything, let me know when we talk and meet. All right, friends, have a good day. Bye.